Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do grave digging event in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Halloween update part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to join the event, you can go to this area or this location, and this grave digger will appear every 2 hours, replacing the jack-o'-lantern visit from the previous update. Okay, every 2 hours you need to stand by, so you will meet this grave digger, and these are the possible rewards. Okay, and yeah, I think it's cool. You will have possibility to get this goblin and crow and zombie fruit and so on. Okay, and now let's do the event. You can talk to the NPC and click on let's go grave digging. Okay, and you will get 10 trowels for free guys, and I have already used 5 of the 10 trowels. And then here you just need to dig. Just click on random one. Okay, and you need to find the grave to get reward. Okay, and this is the grave. Oh my god, running out this trowel, and the trowel will be resetted after 5 minutes. Okay, I need more trowels guys. Okay, just 2 more. Okay, I just need 1 trowel, so I need to wait a few seconds. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I got 1 trowel and I'm gonna use it. And yay! Finally, I got treasure. And yeah, I don't know. Where is my reward? And I'm going to close it. Okay, why? I didn't get reward. Oh, maybe that's the Halloween gearbox. And yeah, that's how you can join the grave digging event and grow a garden. So you need to stand by guys, and it will disappear after 1 hour. Okay guys, and that's how we can join the grave digging event and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.